Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 Long Range. It is a rear wheel drive. Absolutely love this honeycomb pattern on the trunk. Go ahead and put it down. Show you around the vehicle. It is silver with the aerodynamic wheels. A lot of trunk space in here with the batteries down below. It does have a glass roof. All right, so let's show you the interior. It's leather with suede door panels. Power supply there in the back. Getting the door controls, very simple. There is your VIN, your controls. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, turn this fan down a little bit so you can hear me better. Okay, there's the overhead lighting. It does have wood and chrome accents. Come over here, here are your toggle switches for your steering wheel. Right here you have your charger ports, cup holder, center console. That's where you place your key. It doesn't really have a key, it has a card, but that works as a key. I'll go ahead and show you the tablet. Okay, this is the Infotainment Tablet. Right here you have your maps. Come up here. Right now it's on radio, so we'll go ahead and turn that down. Okay. And so, I'll take you to one of the more important screens, which is the software screen. It gives a description of your vehicle. It is the Model 3 Long Range, has 22,263 miles on it. There's your VIN, your additional vehicle information. This will talk about your autopilot computer. Has the premium audio system. Autopilot computer is 2.5, so it's an upgraded one. Let's see. We'll go ahead and jump to the quick controls. This is where you're going to find your mirrors and such. So it's for folding your mirrors. It comes in very handy for parking. Your lights and your locks, your display controls, your driving controls. Right now it's on sport and standard. Regenerative braking is on. And your autopilot can be controlled from here. Right now it's set for following for 3 car distances. All right, and then you also have your emergency lane departure avoidance, your blind spot collision warning chime. I like to keep my forward collision warning on early, your obstacle awareness and such. Here's your navigation, your safety settings, your service settings. And if I'm going through this a little fast for you, I would recommend watching a tutorial on the Model 3 so that you can get a little better feel for it. We can go ahead and pop it into reverse. So you can see the backup camera. And we'll just put in park so that we can go through some of these other settings. It does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM capability. Here's your energy usage map. Here's your charging. You're at 48% right now. It does have web capabilities, entertainment, and your toy box. This particular vehicle does have a rebuilt title. There was a collision and had front end damage. As you can see, we've got it all buttoned up, and it has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla resale dealer in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.